you doing? Yeah, you want to go auditing? I'm with the TV.
Hey, how's it going?
You know, when you're on patrol, you're not supposed to leave the property. Where you think you're going, man? You better stay on that property. You don't patrol the streets. What's wrong with you? You're not the police. You think you're the police or what? Observe and report. Observe and report. That's it. Get back to your duties.
How we doing? Can I ask you guys what you're doing on here?
Can I ask you to mind your own business?
Alright, well I can call the police and kind of get this. You're at the government facility, so you guys are recording the government facility.
So that's none of our business, man. You could be a crybaby cop caller all you want. That has nothing to do with me.
Okay. So like I said,
Like I said, man, leave us alone. Leave us alone, man. Leave us alone. Go away. We ain't talking to nobody. We're not talking to you. Go away.
You are on our property, right?
No, I'm not on your property.
We're on our property.
No, I'm not on your property.
We got cameras out here.
Yeah, well, go cry about it somewhere else, man. Go show it to the
Never showed
police.
up over on this side of the property.
Go show it to your daddy.
For the entire time.
Go show it to your daddy when he gets here, man.
Right?
I'm just asking questions.
Hey,
You ain't asking
go
nothing,
away,
man.
go
Get
back
the fuck
inside.
out of here.
What's that? How you doing, bud? What's
Hey,
y'all doing?
6 feet, man. Back up.
Yeah, you guys
Excuse
all
me?
need to back
6
up.
feet, man.
I can stand
Keep
where
your
I'm standing.
distance, man.
I can stand where I'm
No,
standing.
you walked up to me. Back up.
I did.
Back up, man. Don't approach me.
You don't feel safe?
Don't approach me, man.
You can back
You
up.
guys are the ones that backed up.
I just
walked
came
up
out
to
here
us.
to talk to
You're
you
the
guys.
one
Want to know if we
putting
can help.
lights in face.
Want to know? It's all right. That's okay. That's fine. I just want to know if we can help you with anything.
We asked for help.
I know, but I'm
good.
You guys already came up
Okay,
threatening with the
sorry.
cops, so just get out of here, man.
I'm sorry. Say that again.
I said you already came up threatening with the cops, so just get out of here.
I haven't threatened you with anything, have I?
Yeah, well, this guy did. He's,
Okay, well,
he's a crybaby cop caller, so.
I'll take care of it. Don't worry about it. Thank you. So, again, anything I help you guys with in terms of what you're filming or anything like that? Yes, no, we don't have conversations?
No, we don't have conversations, man.
Why not? You might I ask you a question?
No, man. The way you guys came up, I don't want to talk to you guys.
Did I approach you in any...
I'm just here doing an investigation, man. Just leave us alone. Just leave us alone.
What you're investigating about?
It's something to do with your company, obviously.
We haven't released the story yet. We're still working on it.
And what company might that be?
That's none of your business, man.
Okay.
DHL, right?
Okay, so anyways, guys.
Anyways, nothing, man. Just go away.
Obviously,
Bye-bye.
Have a good night, buddy.
obviously
Have a
you're
good
on
See you
public
later.
property, so you have every right to stand on there.
Thank you, man.
Right? And of course,
We already
we're
knew
gonna-
that. Thanks.
Appreciate your knowledge, man.
you seem like you're very smart individuals. So just do me a favor, make sure that you guys don't come on the private property.
Hey, man, I'm not going to tell you what to do on your
And then
daily
we'll be
basis, so
okay.
don't come and tell me what to do, man.
I'm not.
If I make the man decision to go on your property, that was my man decision to do that, man. You're not going to come and tell me what to do, man. Get out of here.
Yeah, so
Get out of here, man. Make your own decisions. Don't go telling people what to do because you have no authority, man. You have no authority.
You have no authority out here on the
You have no
sidewalk.
authority, man.
Bye-bye.
You're absolutely right. So again, as you guys have the right to walk
Vanish,
on the
man.
sidewalk,
Go
as
back
do
to
I,
work.
correct?
Yet you're still talking.
Yeah,
Yeah.
DHL. I
Because
told you it was
I have the
DHL,
right
bro.
to speak,
You see?
correct?
And he has a badge on. We're at the right place.
Okay, guys, have a great night.
Thank you. It would have been best to just leave us alone, to be honest.
And yet you're still talking.
And yet you're still walking away like a coward. Thank you.
Shame. Bye-bye. Goodbye. So this security guard, that was one of the ones that we were looking for. The ones that came up to us and said they were going to call the cops.
Uh-huh. That was the one, huh?
That was the one that we were looking for. So we were on a government facility. And
Yeah. And then he was asking. He wasn't saying, he was asking.
first he was like, well, I'm going to have to call the police then. And then, so what are you guys all doing here? After I thought, some cops.
Alright, well, it looks like he's on the phone now.
Two look like smart individuals, yet, and why do you come out to the sidewalk? I think they were just going by.